guys, welcome again to another video. And this time, guys, I'm gonna load the wire into the machine. So we're gonna take this off. So I'm gonna grab my manual here because I don't know nothing about this thing, guys. So right here, guys, it's a you can see right here to show you how to load it right here. So we're gonna load it like that. So we're gonna put this on here like so, and then I'm gonna put this on, and then put this on, and then I'm gonna tighten this piece down like so. Cover this way. I'm gonna open this up. I said, guys, pull this off neatly, and turn this out neatly. And guys, I'm gonna cut a piece off like so, and I'm gonna feed it inside here, guys. So pull back this up. So now, guys, I'm gonna start the machine up, guys. Machine is start. Okay, there we go, guys. It come true. All right, so I have it there. Um, there we, there we have it. So I'm gonna put it on my this piece back here on like this way. I'm gonna thread this back in, and then I'm gonna put this piece back over here. There you go, guys. I put it in. Okay, not too tight. So there you go, guys. It's tight. Now they say I must have this stick out like half an inch. So there you have it, guys, right there. So guys, I have this plate here. It's a 1/8 inch thick plate by inch and a quarter wide. So this is a 1/8 inch. So I'm gonna go look at my settings here now, and it say for 1/8 speed and voltage. So the speed gonna be 7 and voltage E5. So I'm gonna set the speed at 7, and the voltage gonna be so the wire speed voltage. So the wire speed and the voltage is gonna be E5 right here. E. I'm gonna try this first and the speed of metal here just to see how it works. So I'm gonna close back this. Before I do that, guys, they say I must I get a piece of wood here and run this and see if it bend. So there you see go. How that works. Um, Before I do that, guys, I'm gonna put my gears on. So I'm gonna put my sleeves. So guys, I got my sleeves on, and then now we're gonna put my. I got my daughter here with me, so she helping me with the recording. So I wanted her to turn her fuse that way. So guys, I'm gonna start my first attempt at this. Nothing happening. Shut off. Uh-oh. So I guess it's burning too hot. Yeah. I think my wire my current is too high right here. I think my current is a bit too high, so I'm gonna turn my current a little bit, guys, and see. Fire. So let me do my brushing and see. That's my first attempt, guys, of welding. Don't know how I did with that one, so I'm gonna clean it up, guys, and you can see how it looks. So let me clean this up, guys. So guys, let me bring this closer to you. Focusing, guys. This is it over here. That's the first one. See, guys, first one there, and this one over here is the second one. See, I burned here a little bit too much. I look on the back side here. Oh, focus. Oh, I got good penetration right there. I got good penetration right there. So guys, I'm pretty impressed with this one. I'm gonna try to do a butt weld. Like this type of weld. I don't know what you call this type of weld, guys. So let me know in the comment what you call this kind of weld here. So I'm gonna tack weld first. Try and tack weld this piece first. Yeah, yeah, guys. This one will hold it real good. I don't even need some more one anymore. So I'm gonna try to do a tack weld, guys. So tack one side here. Okay, so I attempt another well. And guys, this one look not bad. Look at this one, guys. Focus, please. So, guys, if you look at this one here, uh, that's probably the second well, guys. Look at this one. Not really bad. Oh, guys, this thing is really hot. First attempt with this thing, and guys, it's like flying a helicopter or airplane. It is it's very enjoyable. I got good penetration at here at the back here. To focus some more, and we got good penetration here at the back, and we got good penetration here also in the back here too. Also, guys, you can see that. But guys, all in all, um, let me shut this off a minute. This welder here, guys, it's not bad. It's the first time I use it, and it's working out well. Using it now, guys, I realize that I need a better table here. That this is a wooden table, and if I can move this a little bit, you can see over here where the metal burn through the table. So I'm gonna need a metal table to do welding on. Not sure if I'm afraid of these metal tables, but I'm gonna try and see if I can pick up one there, make myself a nice metal top so I can do my welding on. But guys, overall, I'm enjoying this as we speak. If you could see my face now, I've been smiling from one side to the next side. I really happy. I really happy to this. Look, guys, it's my first time, guys. I never weld before. Never weld before. First time. So guys, there you have it once more. Um, I'm enjoying this thing, and the elements work very well. Also, everything worked very well. So, guys, as always, God bless. Peace out. And remember to subscribe to the channel. And, guys, all of this you can get at Aberfred and start welding today. You can start welding today, not tomorrow, today. Pick this up, pick up a helmet, pick up a few stuff, and you can start welding today. It's that easy.